back to the channel. Today we're going to check out and unbox a new Wi-Fi camera. This is by Heimvision. Let's take a quick look at the box. Alright, so as you can see, this is a 1080p HD smart Wi-Fi camera, and this happens to be model HM205. So on the side it lists some key features such as it works with Amazon Alexa, has two-way audio, supports AP hotspot connection, and you can use microSD and cloud. The cloud service, you don't have to use with this, but you can as well. It offers intelligent tracking, and it offers intelligent human-shaped section as well. So let's get to opening the box. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with an instruction manual. It's nice quick start instructions, helps you get through the app and everything you need right here. You do have the camera itself and a packet of hardware just in case you want to install the camera on the wall. Otherwise, you can just let it sit in its designated location. Here we also have the cord, which is USB to micro USB down in the back. Very easy to connect, and you're not going to have to worry about finding different plugs and different outlets for this. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the camera. As you can see, the lens is right here on the front. It's big, so you do get a wide angle. And here on each side you have speakers, because there is two-way audio in this camera. It is adjustable, so you can turn it each and every which way you please. And on the bottom, if you were to adjust or put this on a certain location where you want to mount it, you would utilize this area here at the bottom. And on the back, you do have the plug in which you would plug your cord in. Alright, so the instructions on the very first page tell you how to download the app onto your mobile device. You can do it by QR code, which is the easiest, or you can just search and download in Google Play, the Apple App Store, Pix Plus. So, we got that done. We're going to open the app, and then all you have to do is make an account. So I just plugged this into my outlet over there, and now I am opening up the app. Once you have downloaded the app and created an account, you can now add your device. So we're going to do that. So here you're in the main page, and you're going to push the plus sign at the top.
Please use your mobile phone to configure the network.
You're going to use the plus sign in the top right corner, and then you're going to say the first option, which is intelligent camera. Then we can say device adding by scanning code.
Please use your mobile phone to configure the network.
Addition of AP hotspot, or addition by connecting to network cable. So we're going to do that by adding device by scanning the code, which is the first option.
Please use your mobile phone to configure the network.
So now I'm going to log on to my Wi-Fi like I would do my phone.
Please use your mobile phone to configure the network.
And then when you log in, you then click that QR code, or align your camera up with the QR code.
Please use your mobile phone to configure the network.
And
Network connecting, please wait.
When you hear the beep, you click the button at the bottom. And this means
Wi-Fi connection success.
Well, there you go. It means it's connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm waiting for the app to catch up a little bit.
Camera is online.
Alright, So on the app, it recognizes that the device has been successfully added, and now we can name it. Alright, so I have 2 of these that I'm going to set up and put around my house, but before that I'm going to make sure that this is paired with Alexa, so she can then show me footage and I can bring it up as well. Alright, so I have both cameras set up now. I do want to make a point of saying that everything you need to know is in the instruction manual, and it is very helpful and very detailed. But make sure that you put your Wi-Fi on 2.4, not 5, so everything can easily connect. It's not going to work when you get to 5. Now, I did connect it to Alexa. That was very simple. Like I said, it was in the instruction manual. Didn't have to worry about a thing. Went very smoothly. So now you can say, if you do have an Echo Show, like we do, you can say, Alexa, show me camera 1, or whatever you named your camera that you want to see the footage from. You can also, say turn camera 1 off, stuff like that. It is very simple, very easy to use, and now we're going to place these around the house and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, we have the 2 cameras set up, one in the bedroom, one in the living room, and now we can show you how it works with Alexa. Alexa, show me camera 1.
Okay.
And so as you can see, camera 1 it pops up right on the show, which is really handy, but like I mentioned earlier, you do need to have an Echo Show or an Echo Spot to see this. And as you can see, someone just walked by and the camera is picking up on that, and it is shown through Alexa. She heard me.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. And you do get a notification on your phone when there has been motion detected. Alright, so when you have your camera and you're looking through the settings, I will show you how to get here in a few minutes. But I do want to point out that you do want to have humanoid detection on, so when you have the camera up and you're using it for security, you can in fact know when people are moving in the room. So with that, I'm going to open up camera 2 and show you what that looks like. Alexa, show camera 2.
Okay.
Now I do want to point out you do get a notification on your phone when it detects any sort of movement in the room with any camera, whether you have 1 or 2.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Alright, so I did want to show you the app for a little bit. As you can see, right on the front page, we have our camera 2 and our camera 1. At the bottom, if you get any messages, you can see that. That will show you all of the motion detection notifications you've gotten, so you can go and see what they were when they happened. There's a cloud service right there if you decide to use that or use a micro SD. And you have your settings at the bottom. Now, to get in a little bit more detail, if you were to push the camera or whichever camera you have, I'm picking camera 2, you can notice at the bottom there's some options here. In the middle here is the dial for you to turn and move the camera. And as you can see, the camera will move in a second. Like I just moved it down, I'm moving it to the right. The microphone here at the bottom does allow you to speak to whoever is on the other side, maybe an intruder or someone trying to get into your house. You can use the sound button here to play sound or to not play or have sound at least. You do have a more option where you can record what is currently on the screen now or look at the album that is attached to it. And up here, the settings button to the far right shows you all the settings you need to know, like device name, the time zone, whether you have the microphone on or off, night vision, and humanoid detection, motion detection. And you can also adjust the sensitivity if you live in an area where you want to put this by your front door and look at whoever's coming to the front door. You might not want to get a notification each time a car passes, so you can adjust the dial to however you please. Alright, so I have closed blinds, made the room very dark, just so we can show you what the quality of the picture looks like at night. Now this does have night mode, so the picture you are seeing on the show is night mode. Yes, we can hear you. And if you want to see a better picture on my phone, it is in night mode, and that is very good. It's a great feature. I like that. Alright, so that's a look at the Heimvision Wi-Fi security camera. Please make sure you check the links down below in the description section for social media, links to this product, and much more. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.